You see it before you even hear it. Pure dominance on wheels. The 2021 MANSORY Audi RS Q8 doesn't just roll up, it arrives. That front end, carbon fiber fury sculpted into elegance. The massive grille, dark and fearless, flanked by piercing LED eyes that look ready to hunt. Every line is tension in motion, sharp, muscular, and perfectly balanced between aggression and beauty. Walk around it and the paint catches you off guard. Deep, metallic, liquid light that shifts with every step. The fenders swell with power, embracing those signature MANSORY forged wheels. Turbine blades that look fast even when still. At the rear, the quad exhausts growl silently, framing a carbon diffuser that screams purpose. The taillights cut through dusk with precision, every inch whispering, unstoppable. Open the door and the world changes. Inside, it's craftsmanship and confidence in one breath. The seats, hand-stitched Alcantara and leather, hug you with intent. Carbon fiber flows across the dashboard like a river of control. Every stitch, every surface feels engineered for both comfort and command. The cabin glows softly with digital precision, the infotainment and controls responding with seamless intelligence. Then, the start button. A heartbeat later, the V8 awakens. Deep, raw, magnetic. The whole car vibrates with restrained power, waiting to be unleashed. You take the wheel and it's not just driving, it's conducting. Every turn is poetry. Every acceleration, a pulse of adrenaline wrapped in refinement. This isn't just an SUV, it's MANSORY's vision of dominance. Luxury forged from power, design sculpted from speed. The 2021 MANSORY Audi RS Q8, where performance meets perfection, and perfection demands your full attention.